Hello everyone. I would like to show a short video about how to find information in regards to financial statements and also the GAAP. We talk about GAAP, but you might think, okay, where is that GAAP? How can I find it? So go to FASB.org. FASB.org, Financial Accounting Standard Board.org, and you will see this page. That's where the FASB is, Financial Accounting Standard Board, and you can go to Standards, and that's what the GAAP is. We call it ASC, Accounting Standards Codifications. And if you click on that, you can find an access to GAAP. Here, go to codification. You can subscribe as a professional view. There is a fee for that. And also there is academic accounting access for students and faculty. You can use that. Bottom line, if you go to codification, you can have an basic view, and you can create an account, and it will be free for a basic view, and that's good enough. Also, you can choose the other options if you like, if you are a student, faculty, and if you are a professional later on and you want to subscribe, that's where you subscribe. Okay? And you see all those good stuff in here. Projects, standards, what's going on, and other news. Okay? The next one that I want to share with you is if you go to SEC. So if you go to SEC, that's where you can have access to financial statements of publicly traded companies. So go to SEC, and just to keep it simple, click on Filings. Okay. And then click on, let's say, Edgar information for filers. No, click on Edgar search and access. That's better. So Edgar search and access. Let's click on that. And now you can go down to let's say company filings. Okay, click on that. And here you can look for a company. Let's say Walmart. Enter. And this is Walmart now. Information that Walmart is filing with SEC. They have obligation to do that. So they're gonna file, let's say, quarterly report. Thank you. And they are filing, let's say, 10K, that's what you want, annual report. Okay. And that's what you want. 8K is just information that they want to share, important information. So that's something for you maybe to read. But the main thing that you want is either quarterly report or annual report, which I believe in most cases you are specifically maybe want to see annual report for your, let's say, projects if you have, or you want to see how Walmart was doing last year, and just click on those information to see interactive data. You click on interactive data and something happens. Here we go. So this is the 10K, this is the cover sheet, and then you go to financial statements, and here we go. We have consolidated statements of income. So let's click on that. And that's the latest annual report for January 31st of 2020. And you can see also the 2 years before of that, right? So net sales, revenue, net sales, and cost, other expenses going down, net income, consolidated net income, 14,881, and all of them is in millions, so don't forget that. That means whatever you see here, you have to add so-called, just to understand that there is 6 more zeros after this. Everything is in millions. So what else? And all others information. Okay, so that's income statement. And go to balance sheet. You can look at the balance sheet here. There you go. And that's the balance sheet of 2 years consecutive balance sheet next to each other. Current assets, current liabilities, and all the way down. Total liabilities and equities. Okay, so total assets 236,495. Total liabilities and equities 236,495. And you have all the details in between. And you have access to the other financial statements also. And that's the cash flow. Those are notes to financial statements. And those are accounting policies. If there's any tables, there are note to the tables, note to details. So everything is in here. Okay? Here we go. So one more thing that I saw in SEC, maybe I go home. One thing that also you might want to look at it, it's the education part. It gives you a lot of good, resources if you want to educate yourself in regards to investment products, risk, and fees that is involved in this type of situations. So it's a good thing to, if you get a chance to look at this. Okay, that's about it. Have a wonderful day.